Welcome to ISO 9001 Quality Management Fundamentals. I am Justin Buzzard. I designed this course for complete beginners. You do not have to have experience in quality or ISO to understand this training course. If you do, all the better, but there's no quality experience needed. We'll move through step by step so that you understand why this is a globally recognized standard. There's a lot of countries, a lot of companies that utilize this standard to ensure the client, the customer gets what they need in a standard fashion. So let's get started. Here's everything this course covers. It is organized into 7 modules that will build on each other. By the end of this course, you will have a solid understanding and working knowledge of ISO 9001, and you'll be able to move into the next course, the intermediate course, that will go further into implementing it, building the quality system, and ensuring its ongoing success. So we'll go through a bit about what ISO is, a bit about the history, the principles behind it, the plan, do, check, act cycle, which is a big part of ISO. We'll go through the various clauses found within ISO and how it all works together. And we'll take a look at some real-world examples and some occasional knowledge checks. All right, we're on Module 1. What is ISO 9001? Before we get into the various requirements and the clauses, you need to know what it is and why it exists. Understand the purpose of the standard makes everything that follows easier to absorb.